Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the RGB colors on Razer Viper Ultimate. And to do this you'll need to get the Razer Synapse app from Razer website. Then in the dashboard select your mouse, go for lighting, and here you can adjust the brightness, so make sure that it's enabled, and now you can use a different level for it on your mouse. Switch off lighting when display is turned off and when it's idle for a specific amount of minutes, which you can change with a slider right here. You can also use the different effects, so there's quick effects, and here you can use this pop-up to change through different effects, and also advanced ones. And here you will need to install the Chroma Studio to change the RGB, and it will allow you for a great amount of settings, so you can get it and experiment with it. And that's basically all of the options for the RGB on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.